Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining, and for all the old ones, thank you for coming back. Today I'm going to be doing crochet faux locs. I'm going to start off by sectioning her hair and box braiding her entire head.
When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want.
I don't know if you guys remember from my previous videos, but I love using edge control when I'm parting. I also like using edge control when I'm dealing with natural hair. It helps keep everything together while I'm braiding.
It's you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. It's you. It takes two.
Now, I know that there's tons of videos on faux locs, but I may have stumbled across a new braiding pattern for crochet hair. Hopefully it's a pattern that you guys can do as well.
Does it ever go away? All I want is you to answer me right now.
Just about everyone whose hair I do, they bring their own hair. So I thought she brought the crochet hair that you could feed the braid in between, but instead she brought the crochet hair that didn't have any space in between. So I had to switch it up, you guys. As you guys see, I started box braiding her hair because whenever I do individual box braids, I crochet the braid into the crochet hair. But because the crochet hair she bought was small and tight, I didn't want to waste time unbraiding the box braids. So I combined the box braids in the back and did a few cornrows in the front and came up with a new braiding pattern. The box braids definitely came in handy for this style. I'm going to crochet her hair the same way that I crochet everyone's hair. I'm going to open up the latch of the crochet needle and slide the needle through the middle of her braid. After that, I'm going to hook the end of the crochet braids to the hook of the crochet needle and pull the hair through. These are the steps that I'm going to follow until I get to the last crochet braid.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry, my service bad. My bad. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is you. Tell me, does a flower in the shade ever feel a little jealousy? Does it ever go away? All I want is you to answer me right now. Just dance with me right now. Just dance with me right now. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry, my service bad. My bad. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is you. Tell me, does a flower in the shade ever feel a little jealousy? Does it ever go away? All I want is you to answer me right now. Just dance with me right now. Just dance with me right now. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry, my
This is how everything looks when I'm done. She wanted to add a few colorful accessories to her hair, so I did. The braid pattern that I used is great for any versatile crochet style. She could wear her hair up, down, or have it pulled to the side. I might use this braid pattern in the future when I'm dealing with crochet braids or twists. This is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video.
'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is you. Tell me, does a flower in the shade ever feel a little jealousy? Does it ever go away? All I want is you to answer me right now. Just dance with me right now. Just dance with me